There are blinds and fly screens on all windows and roof lights. The sunroof is also fitted with a blind. Pleated cassette blinds and fly screens feature on all windows and roof lights. They can be positioned to cover any part of the window, and both can be used independently of each other. To open the windows, push the central button with your thumbs and turn the internal handles through 90 degrees and push open the window. The windows lock in the open position at 3 preset positions. To operate, push open the window until you hear an audible click, and then slowly release the pressure to lock the window in the first open position. Push open again to find the next locking position. To close, fully open the window, which will disengage the locks and allow the window to close slowly, and lock off the handles by turning back through 90 degrees. All windows feature night latches to allow for ventilation, ideal for warmer nights or when there is quite a few people inside the caravan. Release the window catches as normal and you will see there is a second groove on the outside of the main latch which shuts the window completely. Turn and lock the handles into place as you normally would. Just note the windows are not sealed from rain in this position. Low-level ventilation points feature throughout the vehicle, and these must not be blocked at any time. The vents allow the air to flow through the caravan, which helps to alleviate any condensation which may build up due to the warmer atmosphere inside the caravan. When utilizing the storage spaces under seats and bed, always ensure the ventilation points are left uncovered. High-level ventilation is achieved through roof lights and washroom roof ventilators. There are 2 different types of roof lights, the MPK roof light and the HECI roof light. The MPK roof light can be opened fully or in 4 different directions, so that the dome can be angled against driving weather conditions. With both handle profiles clipped together, the roof light can be moved to any of the positions. The HECI roof lights come in various sizes, but they all operate in the same way. Push the button located next to the handlebar and push the handlebar down and forwards to open the roof light. You can choose to fully open the roof light or select from the available resting points to have it open less. Finally, before towing, please ensure all windows and roof lights are fully closed.